Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. Today we have a very special kit set for you. I am in the beautiful Otama Bay in the Coromandel, one of New Zealand's most favourite beaches. Today I'm here with a client's amazing kit set shed build that they've done. He's done it with his son and they have absolutely nailed it out of the park. They've gone for a Norwegian style boathouse design and it is epic. You'll have seen it already, but it is beautiful. 5.3 metres wide, 5.1 metres tall, 19.5 metres long. If you've ever seen Vikings and any of these things, this is what it's reminiscent of. And this is absolutely stunning. What's really cool is the client came to me with some concept drawings I've still got on the table here, and he's actually been able to turn that vision into a reality. Now, he first came to me in 2019, and from there we were able to deal with the architects, the engineers, geometrics, NCE, and we were able to put together this amazing kit set for him. And now it just sits so nicely in the property. They've got a new house that they're building there as well. You've got these fantastic gardens behind us, spa, wood-fired pizza oven. Just absolutely quintessential Kiwi living at its best. This huge entertaining area outside. I know the client's out on the boat right now entertaining family and friends. Come on inside and let's have a little treat, eh? Go through this beautiful double glazed joinery and we're into this beautiful space. You've just got this feeling of expansiveness and a light, airy feel on here. Come in, have a look. I've got these on the table. Now this is initially what the client sent through to me, and this was his plans of creating his own boathouse. What's so cool to see, and as I was looking through the file, is he has achieved the dream. From the staircases up to the mezzanine, the window, the joinery, the detail on the rear of the shed and the detail on the front of the shed. It's been done so well and so well thought through. Inside here, we've got a really practical kitchen space here. The whitewashed ply on all of the walls, space for the family and friends to stay over. We've got this awesome little fire to keep it warm in the winter. Polished concrete floors. It's really epic little entranceway. Let's take a step through and just have a look at this. So we've got this great door here. We've got this nice little outdoor area and enclave, and I really like it. The corten, the rusted steel on this as well, the light fittings, everything's been done with a real tasteful eye for detail. The way that they've boxed out the bracing at the top there, where you can see our knee braces, they've been boxed out in there. All of this New Zealand steel, super strong, of course. We come through, obviously there's always work to be done. We've got this beautiful bathroom in here, everything that you would need. Then we come on through and we've got the workshop, the boat shed. In here, we've gone for rough sawn timber on the walls, which creates this really cool effect. Then you've got the Meg roller door in here, you've got the hunting trophies up there on the walls. It looks absolutely fantastic. Step outside again, it's going to be a little bit bright, but that's all right. And we'll notice the cladding details that we've got. Everything corrugate iron, looking great. It's great. If I click my fingers, I'm at the rear of the shed. Look at it, you've got the setbacks exactly like the drawings it is designed. Also, I want to point out the view that we've got down here over Otama Bay. Just epic sand dunes, really on a beautiful headland here. And it's a really, really well done. Great use of space and a real imagination of what could be achieved to it. And that's it. We go back down and you just see the angular lines of the shed. And I just want to point out how it frames the view so beautifully. This one is great. And this is just another example. I'd only started working at Waikato Sheds maybe 3 months, 6 months when I got to deal with the client. He got in touch with me and we worked through it all. And then to be able to come back 4.5 years later and see what's been built, it's really epic to see. I mean, this is truly turning people's dreams, their ideas and inspirations into reality. So it's great to see what can be really just drawn down on a piece of paper, then with some hard mahi, created into this epic spot, which no doubt provides endless fun for the family and a great level of satisfaction knowing that they built it themselves. From that, really, I think we can just let this property talk for itself and just do a whirl round of the views, the property, and what's going on here in this beautiful Otama Bay. So any questions, hit me up. If you like this video, help me out, help out the channel and Waikato Sheds, give us a like. I always appreciate and notice it, or any comment, I'll be behind and answer it. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time.